guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Arianna, and for those of you who aren't, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for hanging around. I just hit 100 subscribers, which is very exciting. I know that's not a lot for some people, but I am very excited by it. So thank you guys so much. Okay, so today we're unboxing the Bad Bunny, the First Café Adidas forums. Very exciting. I really like Bad Bunny and I love Adidas. So when I saw this loaded on the Confirmed app, I was like, yes, let's do it. Let's try and get it. Even though I really have the worst luck with the Confirmed app. I guess now it's changing, but I didn't get the Ash Pearl, so who knows? I really can't tell anymore. But when I saw these, I love the color, I love brown, and I love that he put different laces with it. The details with the eye, everything was awesome. Loved the packaging, which
could sell me on pretty much anything.
So I was very excited about this, and let's open it up because I heard that they were limited. I really just don't know. I think that they are, but I don't know exactly how many pairs of shoes were made, but I know it was pretty hard to get, apparently, because I watched the Roscoe live cops, and they're very funny. I don't know why. My mom and I take a lot of joy in them. I think he was talking about cat milk the other day, and we were literally on the floor laughing. But yeah, let's open this up. I know it looks like kind of open. It came like this, but I swear, not open. And I also put on nails for the first time. So I feel like it's like adapting to a whole new limb that you have, remembering how to do things with your nails.
Wow.
I love the packaging.
Oh, it's heavy too.
Okay. Wow, that is very heavy. So the box looks like this. Has Bad Bunny on the side. Wow, this is nice. My box is a little beat, but hopefully the shoes aren't. Wow, this is so cool. I love that it has the little Bad Bunny on it. Wow. Okay, so first thing you see when you open up the box are the extra shoe tongues. I really like that he has the little eye here. So you get two of those. And they have the little clips on the back so that you can put them on. You also see the extra laces, which came like this. I really like the green. I thought that was very interesting. And it looks like the shoes come in this really fancy...
Okay, it could be better quality, but it's pretty good.
This fancy dust bag for the shoes that has Adidas and the Bad Bunny logo on it. So let's open that up. It's like a cotton material that they're in. Oh my gosh. Wow. So I got size 7 because that's my normal Adidas size. I get my Yeezys in a size 7. Wow. I actually really, really like these. When I saw them, I was like, I like them, but I'm not sure how much I'm gonna like them. I really like them. Okay, so on the bottom of the foot, you can see there's a blue little circle, and inside of that is actually the Bad Bunny logo. You have Adidas in a different color. Midsole is like this gum tan, and the materials on this are insane. So the suede on the shoe feels really, really nice. Really nice. And it's definitely very substantial. It's kind of a weighty shoe, but not so weighty that you feel like you're gonna be in pain wearing it. And there's two tongues already on the shoe. There's two tongues already on the shoe. Here, I can show you. I'm gonna put some up close and on feet of this as well. Another really cool detail about these shoes that I liked is that on the insole, or on the interior, you can see that there's the Bad Bunny and the Adidas logo. I love these. I feel like when you wear these though, you have to wear them with either the blue or the green laces because it kicks it up a notch. But I'm very, very happy with these. I like that it has this on the back, and I like how sturdy it is. This is this is definitely a skater shoe. Ooh. Ooh.
Wow.
These are awesome. And now I don't know why they're going for so much now. I didn't expect that. I expected people to like them, but I didn't think that they were gonna go for like $1,000. I don't really understand that. I'm sure it's gonna go down at some point. But these are pretty dope. And I heard that he's gonna be doing more collaborations with Adidas. So what other shoes he's gonna come out with, I'm not sure, but I think it's pretty cool that this is his first collaboration. He did a great job. The colors are definitely like on point. This is a very neutral shoe that you can wear with anything. And if you wanna spice it up, obviously you can add the different colored laces. I think that this is very flattering on both women and men. I just really love it. I think it's all of the different brown tones and colors that really make this shoe stand out, and that's so appealing about this shoe. You can see here. Bernie! So you can also see that he put "Yo visto así" on the Velcro here. I'm sorry that my Spanish is really
Shite.
I used to be able to speak better back when my tia was alive and she used to talk to me in Spanish, but I've since lost a lot of it. So it is what it is. We just have to deal with what we got, right? Gringa Spanish is gonna be what it's gonna be. It's kind of like you dress how you like. You know, you dress what makes you feel comfortable and what you feel fabulous in. And
You should always do that.
so I think that's really nice. I like that he put that little sentiment on the Velcro. That way you can see it if you want, or it's just hidden, like a little hidden message, kind of like the Nike, the Valentine's Day, where they have the little hidden message on the tongue. You also have Bad Bunny in blue on the laces that come with the shoe, and white on the blue, and just a BB on the green ones. So I'll put up close of all of this, that way you guys can see it better. But I have to say that these are a really cool pickup. These are a really unique shoe, and the quality of them is intense. Like, they did not play when they made this shoe. Really, really good quality. I don't know if I would wear the two tongues like that. I guess I would. It looks thick. I wonder how comfortable it is. I know that this style from Adidas normally is very comfortable, but I don't know how this one will be because there's a lot of extra but it looks amazing. I like that this like waffle texture here, definitely getting the coffee vibes. But yeah, I absolutely love it. So let's put the on feet footage here and the close-ups, that way you guys can get a better look. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a great time. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes. Did you get them? Are you gonna get them? What do you think? Let me know. And if you guys haven't yet, hit that like button if that you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you're subscribed and have your notifications on. That way you don't miss my next video. A lot of shoe unboxings, some vlogs, all that good stuff. So make sure that you're tuned in, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye!